Hi there, Automotive Control in Bristol. Got with us today a VW Transporter T5.1. This is a converted Motability vehicle, so something a bit different. Got with us just fitted the DMX9724XDS, as you can see just there. So brand new unit for Kenwood, single DIN chassis, so it'll fit in a lot of vehicles now. We've also added a reverse camera, as you can see there. Retained the optics on this screen, and we've also retained things like the heater controls, which is a really nice feature. So everything that the vehicle had before is on this new unit. It's a wireless unit, wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. It's a 3-year warranty. It's in stock with us in Automotive Control. Phone number 0179 08 0708. Thank you.